Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and if you're looking for a natural way to keep bugs away, Citronella Young Living Essential Oil is one that I use and helps so much. Citronella in general is known for that ability to keep bugs at bay. So instead of using a citronella candle when you're outside or like a chemical-induced citronella, oh, and it smells so yummy. Slightly sweet and like just a very citrusy fragrance. It's really nice. So you would put this in a spray bottle with a little water and witch hazel and spray it on, or you can also just like roll it on yourself before you go outside, or if you're camping, bring this bottle with you. You can see it's a clear oil. Oh, and it does smell so nice. It does need to be diluted just a little bit. You can apply it and keep the bugs away. I absolutely love this essential oil for that reason, but that's just my point of view.